heading to the market. I need to pick up some things that we need to cook. And what's different about this market run is that I'm going to a new market that I haven't been to before. So yeah, let's go and check it out. Hopefully their things are affordable. Start my own house. See enjoyment, now you get this sister.
Now pumpkin leaf have been a green.
I won't use that thing for
She said she wanna roll, baby. She wanna ride. I told her I can be a ball. She said she wants to be my baby. Guys, so yesterday, I also went to the store. These are the things I picked up. Hand wash. Favorite, if you know, you know. Receipts. Tell me why we haven't even opened this and it's already leaking out. Fairy toothpaste, milk, soap, from the market. Ta-da! So this is my plate.
Hi guys, I want to quickly head out to sort of like a thrift little market. You guys already know that I'm a makeup artist and I'm also like a brow and lash artist, but on the side I also sell like thrifted pre-loved clothes. The business haven't really picked up, but I'm just like putting my energy. I'm just like trying to, you know, do it. The money is good. The clothes that I find, they are really really cool, really cute. Most of my Sunday fits that I wear that you guys see on my YouTube shorts, they are from my brand and they're very much quite affordable. So yeah, if you're looking to shop with us, it's Thrift by NMB on TikTok and Instagram, so you can always like, you know, check out the pieces that we have. We deliver, you know, between Benin City and to some states in Nigeria. Enough yapping, let's go. Right? 30 minutes to spend here before I go back. Yes, I'm here very early. This is one of the skirts. To be my size. So actually bought it for me. Oh, okay. It looks really nice. Okay. Wow, okay. Just finished ironing some of this out. You know, show the one of this. I'm ironing my neck. Not be me.
Who get the hair?
Yes, it
You
does.
know I'm Abi?
K every week. Somebody say from your account, his savings account.
Okay, I bought that same day as we were coming back.
They didn't even allow him call
Anybody?
anybody, his wife, his family, nothing. That after 1 week like that, that's how one man now came and said that he should just go and be thanking God that after their investigation they found out that he doesn't have anything to do with the thing.
I think. Then I think he snapped to it.
It's April. The first quarter of the year is gone. 3 months is gone actually. Start doing content to start posting. I'm just going to leave this on my face for maybe 10-20 minutes. Yeah, my face is smooth and soft.
So I am attending a rave party tonight, and I already put my hair in this really cute pony. This face cap, I feel like it matches my sweat, my pants. Yeah, well, how far where you want go, baby? How far where you want go? Hey. I'm already in the car and I'm heading out. I think the event is sponsored by Goldberg. So yeah, let's go and have fun. I'm with my tripod, so hopefully I can record as much content for you guys today. Guys, so I had a client scheduled for Saturday morning and I went to the studio to prep, only for me to realize that this client wasn't serious. Like, honestly, it was so frustrating because I was sitting there waiting for like 3 hours for this person to show up, only for the person to text me and said I should send them money, that they are stuck somewhere and they had a flat tire, they can't make transfers. The moment I was like, you're really funny, the next thing I hear now, turn that fire you. Like, people are so cruel, the country is so hard, yet there are other people trying to defraud people of their hard-earned money. Like, we're all literally trying to work hard and make ends meet. Like, I just went back home feeling very sad and depressed, honestly, but we thank God. Good morning, happy Easter. It's Easter Sunday and I'm attending second service today, so I have literally like 15 minutes. This is it, shea butter. Alright, ready or not, here I come. Happy Easter, you guys. Let's go to church. It's 8:40 and I have to be at church by 9. And I just observed there's no fuel in this car, so that means I have to go and get fuel. So let's go.
Warming, heat up your radio. Rhythm 93.7.
And yeah, church, guys.
If you're shouting amen, jump to your feet and let your amen be louder.
Guys, happy Sunday. So I just made it back home from church and I'm so thankful, so grateful. Happy Easter to you, to your friends, to your family. I wish you guys everything, every blessing that the resurrection of Jesus Christ has brought to us Christians, and I hope that you have a beautiful month of April. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, drop a comment below, wish me a happy Easter in the comments, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. Mwah, mwah.